paid for the hit on Melly. Turns out she's just a hired gun.
She's working for them.
Yes.
Who's them?
We don't know. There's a chance my mother herself doesn't even know who's running this thing.
I want charges pressed against her. Make it happen, Rosen.
Yes, sir.
No,
No?
we're not pressing charges. We're letting her go.
What are you talking about?
We release my mother. We send her off into the night. We track her. She leads us straight to whoever's paying her, straight to whoever's really behind all this.
We are not releasing a terrorist who's been paid to assassinate the president, Olivia. Melly's life is at risk.
Melly's life is at risk whether we release my mother or not. We keep her in our custody. Whoever's out there will just replace her with someone else. They'll find another assassin.
Then we cancel the inauguration.
That's no longer an option. Melly's determined to go out there and take her rightful place as president, as she should, as she deserves.
You actually think that Maya's going to just what? Drop a trail of breadcrumbs? It's that simple? We all know who this woman is and what this woman is capable of. She'll play us.
She'll slip the leash no matter what we do. No, she's not going anywhere.
Fitz.
I'll hold off on pressing charges. But if you don't figure out who Maya is working for in the next 12 hours, she will rot down there in her cell for the rest of her life. End of discussion.